Hi friends, in the last video we got familiar with Excel interface, Excel workbook, Excel worksheet. Today we are going to learn how to do Excel data entry in the correct way. And also we will learn about formatting a cell, Excel formula, Excel function, and about AutoSum.
Before the data entry, we should be familiar with the navigation keys in Excel. Mainly use the Enter key. These two are the Enter keys. Then a combination of Enter key and Shift key. Then arrow keys are here. We can move using this arrow key, right, left, down and up. Then home and page up, page down keys are here. Another important key is Tab key. While pressing the Tab key, how we can see the result, it is maybe just like arrow keys, but there is a slight difference. Okay, we will analyze how the active selection of the cell moves when we press all these keys. So while pressing the Enter key, it goes down. When you press and hold Shift key, then press the Enter key, it goes up. Then arrow keys goes right, right arrows. Then left arrow the selection goes to the left side. Then down arrow key. Then up arrow key, the selection goes up. Then when you press the Tab key, it goes as in the right arrow key. Then when you use Shift key, then the result will be in the opposite. Okay, but the difference is when you press the Tab key, then press the Enter key. Normally, when when you are using arrow key, it goes down, just down in the same column. But now it shifted to the uh, next row and column where you started the pressing the tab key. Suppose you are pressing the tab key from B3, then the cell active cell B3. Then when you use tab key, suppose now you press the Enter key, it goes to B4. Okay, so this makes very easy for data entry. We can use this combination for moving and selecting a cell. So it is very convenient to use the tab key. Don't go to the mouse keys here and then, it will slow down the data entry. For the sample data entry, we use the student mark list for student's name. That's for Enter key press. It jumps to the first column, second row. So we have English, basic science, then maths. Okay, it jumps to the first column and next row. The name overlaps to the second column. When you enter a value there, it will hide the name, partly the name. Then next mark, then it jumps to the next line. We are using only keyboard and tab key. Then when Enter key press, for convenience, it jumps to the next row. Tab key moves the active cell. Okay, now we can click here and a column for total. So after completing the data entry, we could see that part of the name is not visible here. And similarly, the width of the columns are not desirable. So we can adjust the column width. So either we can bring the mouse here or here for adjusting the column width. So we can do like that. Similarly, row also can be done like that. Suppose it's like that. It can be achieved in a single click. Go to the intersection of this column and row at the top left. Then click here. Then the entire cells are selected. Go to the intersection between any of the column. Bring the mouse pointer here. It will changes to a shape of a cross. Then double click here. So columns are adjusted. Then go to the row here in between two rows. Similarly, mouse pointer changes. Double click here. In this way, we can easily adjust column width and row height. So now we can bold the letters here. Select the letters we want to bold, and we can go to the group font here. Then click bold. If you click again, it will come to the normal text. Similarly, we can italicize this here. In italics, we click on I here. It's also a double key. Then we can underline using this button. So now the same can be achieved by shortcut key Control B. We can press Control B or Control I for italics. Then Control U for underline. Okay, we bold the letters. Then suppose we want to draw border next to the bold and underline button. We can see a border drawing tool. Then click here, a drop down menu appears. We want all borders. We can border bottom border, top border, and similarly click on the all borders here. So there is a border line. Then next we can fill the colors for making the sheet attractive. Go to the fill color command. Then we can choose the color we desire. Click here. Now the black letter is not so much attractive. We can change the color here by clicking on the font color. Click here and white will be desired. In this way, we can adjust the column font formatting is done here. Similarly, we can also give attractive color here after selecting here. Then we have to choose the fill color. So in this way, we can make the mark list more attractive. Next, we will learn about the alignment. That is, the values in the cell can be aligned horizontally and vertically. For better understanding of horizontal and vertical alignment, we do the process here. I'm typing 25 here. It is right aligned, but at the bottom. So here is the tools for vertical alignment. Well, you click here, select here and click here. Then it come to middle, then at the top. Similarly, if you click here, it will align left, then align center and align right. So to achieve both alignment at the center, so you have to click at the middle align, then click at the center. In this way, we can align these values. We select here, this much we select, then click middle align and center. Okay. Then the score. Score is the heading of the score should distribute in all these columns. So select all the columns, then click here, merge and center. Now the score is aligned. Similarly, name, select the name and just below the row and click here. Then it should be middle aligned. Okay, similarly, this also. So in this way, we can make the score sheet more attractive. Next, we have to find the total. Click here, or convenience, I'm just increasing the column width. So we have to add these. So either we can use a formula or a function. First, we use a formula, and we can distinguish what is a function. So every function and formula starts with an equal to sign. Click equal to sign, and click on the cell, that is 28. Then it is the B3 cell address is shown here. Then enter plus sign. Then click on the next. Then C3 is shown, that is the cell address. So because we change the 29 to some other number, the total will also automatically changes. That is why Excel gives a cell address instead of giving actual value. So plus, then click here, then press enter key. Okay. So that all the sum of these three numbers is calculated. Now we have to calculate this also. Instead of typing all these here, we just go to the bottom right corner of the cell. Then the pointer changes to a plus sign. Just double click there. So the entire sheet, suppose it is more rows, the entire sheet, the value is calculated. Then here we can see that it is B3, D3, C3 and D3. Now when we go here, it is automatically changes to B4, C4 and D4. Then here B5, C5 and D5. It is because Excel automatically changes to the relative values, relative address. But it is quite time consuming. by clicking plus plus plus. So we have a easy method, that is select the cell we want to find the total. Go here, there is an AutoSum function. This is a function. We double click here. Sorry, single click is enough. Then you can see that is equal to sum. Is equal to sum is a function B3 D3. B3 D3 is the range. Range we have discussed in the first video. Then B3 D3 means B3, C3 and D3. Press the enter key. Okay, it is calculated. Then similarly we go and double click here and the cell is calculated. Total is calculated in all the cells. So okay, here also we can see it is automatically adjusted by the B4 D4 by the Excel. It is a relative value is adjusted. Then B5 D5. In this way we can easily calculate the sum. So sum function, we have more functions to be discussed in coming classes. Okay, until then, goodbye. Thank you very much.